In this video, I'll show you how you can move files from Dropbox to Google Drive. So if I was going to do this, this would be the way that I would do it, and it's the best way that you can do it. So open up Files in Dropbox in one tab, and open up Google Drive in the other tab. Now what you need to do is go to Dropbox, then click on All Files, and here you can go ahead and click on this button, and it will select all of your files in Dropbox. Now if you want to move all of them, that's easy. You can, however, uncheck the ones that you don't want to move. Then click Download at the top here, and it will zip all of your files from Dropbox. As you can see, I've got 98 megabytes of files. We can go ahead and open up the downloads. So now we're in the downloads. We can go ahead and right click and extract all. We're going to extract these files to the download. So now we've got a new folder here called Dropbox with all of our files in it. What we can do now is get this into Google Drive. So now if we open up Google Drive, we can click New. We can then click either File or Folder Upload, or we can click New Folder. I'm just going to call this folder Dropbox. And then once we've created this folder, we can double click in it. Then we can go to our file that we've just downloaded, highlight all of them, and just simply drag them on screen onto Google Drive. This will then add all of these files from Dropbox to Google Drive